Welcome everyone, it's Tuesday, March 8th, 2016, and today I'm going to focus on the little white sun. So here's what we know about it and what I hope to also demonstrate in the next few clips. It's behind the clouds, and that's evidenced by the distortion that we can see in the video, and I'll show you that in the next clip. And we also know that it's obscured by another light at parts. That is, it looks like it's swallowed up by it. And it's also not visible in the bare sky, which means that I think that it's less bright than the other object, the normal sun or the artificial sun or whatever is producing the yellow light. What you're looking at now, and I split screen here to get a close-up and a filter on the right, is the fact that the little white sun is behind or above the clouds. As you can see, it is subject to atmospheric distortion, and at various points it looks like it's wavy, corresponding to the amount of thickness in the clouds. Also evident here is the fact that it is less bright than the other light, which does seem to swallow it up at points. It does peek out from the darker clouds, which are either thicker cloud cover or of a different source, and we talk about chem clouds and chemtrails in a different video. I wanted to also discuss the fact that it's from a different source, and while this might seem apparent, I wanted to at least consider the possibility that it was a reflection from the other sun, the simulated or yellow sun. The way we can tell the difference, though, is through the quality of the light, and here I compare the two. So on the left is the little white sun, and on the right is the other one. And it's evident that the color is different between the two. Now, we know that the sun is actually, if we looked at it from outside of the Earth's atmosphere, would appear to be white. That is, its spectrum is across the visible scale, and when you look at all of them at once, it would appear to be white. The reason it appears to be yellow to us, as a matter of spectroscopy, is because the red end of the wavelengths is more easily scattered, and is in fact scattered by the atmosphere, which is why when you're looking through more atmosphere, say for sunrise or sunset, the sun appears to be more yellow or more orange and red. Now, we know that the little white sun appears to be whiter, and so if it is also subject to the same kind of refraction, then we would assume that its blue, green, and violet wavelengths are much stronger than the other source. So we know it's not a mere reflection or camera artifact, because the actual wavelengths are different as they pass through the atmosphere, as evidenced by the color that we see. Thank you for everyone again. Your ideas and comments are much appreciated. Please help me by subscribing, liking, or sharing this video. It helps the view count. And keep the ideas coming, folks. They're great.